Hey guys, happy Monday. I just wanted to kind of jump on at the start of the week and take a look at Module 3 with you guys. So if you see, September 10th is going to kind of be the end of Module 2. As we move out of Aristotelian argumentation, we're going to move into Rogerian argumentation. And so Aristotelian, it looks at one kind of aspect of the triangle of communication, and Rogerian kind of looks at another one. So it'll be interesting to kind of see how you respond to those two different models. Please make sure you're going through the module through the home page and going from one page to another. It's kind of set up that way so that you guys can make sure to get all the information you need for your assignments, right? They all kind of build on each other. If you check out Module 3, then it'll only show up if you've done all of Module 2. If you check out Module 3, we're going to be talking about different aspects of writing. You guys are going to be practicing Rogerian argumentation. You guys are going to be looking at how to write an analysis of an argument, and then you're going to be writing an argument itself. So I'm really excited to read those. As we kind of go forward, please make sure that you're reading my feedback. If you check out the rubric, I'm looking for certain things in those reading responses and those sort of discussion posts, so definitely make sure you're doing that. I leave you guys little notes as well, but make sure you look at what the rubric's asking of you. Okay? If you have any questions, just give me a shout. A couple of you have, which is really nice. I love to hear from you guys. Even if we don't get to officially meet each other, at least I get to kind of hear from you a little bit. Anyway, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.